most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and would you believe she's got the vlogging camera out again for a second weekend in a row? Who is she? I don't even know. But today's video is something so exciting. I have such a fun, different weekend planned that I really wanted to vlog it just for the memories really, and it's something so different that I feel like you guys might like to see it as well. So my general plan for the weekend is today it's not going to be so much content because tomorrow is kind of the epic Christmas fun day. So today I am going to my friend's baby shower. I shan't be taking the camera. It is not my place, so I do apologise, but I'm heading to her baby shower, which is insane. I can't believe she's actually having a baby. Like, I've known her since I think I was about 4 years old, so it's so incredibly exciting that she's having a baby. So I'm going to that, and then I will be going to my local Christmas light switch on tonight, so I think we're going anyway. Hopefully we're going to go, so I'll show you a few clips of that as well. And then tomorrow me, Ryan, Kaylee and Stefan are going to buy our Christmas trees. I am so excited. I have never bought a real Christmas tree before. I'm definitely more of a synthetic tree kind of gal myself. I know it's kind of one or the other. It's definitely a Marmite kind of thing, but I've always had fake Christmas trees. However, they've always gone for the real Christmas tree route, so we're going to go for a real one this year, and I'm so excited. Me and Ryan have never bought a Christmas tree together, so it's something really fun to document for you guys and obviously for ourselves to watch back. So that is the plan. I also think we're going to go to our local garden centre tomorrow to get like a Christmas bauble. I have loads of Christmas decorations like for trees and a few other little pieces, but we want to start getting kind of one new bauble a year from now and kind of put them on the tree. So I think we're going to do that. We might even pop to Starbucks. So that is kind of the general gist of the vlog. I don't know whether there's going to be much reading. I might sit down for a little bit before I pop out later and do a little bit of reading so you guys can see what I'm reading and things like that. That is the general gist. So that is the plan for the weekend. I'm so excited, and I know that it's just going to fly by because it always does, and I blink and it's Monday again. But before I dive into kind of me reading and getting on with the day, I do just want to give a little shout out to a company who have ever so kindly sent me some jewellery pieces to share with you guys. And again, it is not sponsored. They've not paid for me any money at all to say any of this, and all opinions that I'm going to say are completely honest and of course my own. But that is Ana Luisa. You guys know that I have done a lot of videos featuring Ana Luisa because I honestly absolutely love their jewellery. I think it's so beautiful, so stunning, and so many pieces of their jewellery is just such my vibe, and I absolutely love that. So I'm going to share with you the 4 pieces they kindly sent me and also go through their sales for the rest of the year. I've got a discount code for you guys and all that kind of stuff. So for their sales, we have 3 up until the 10th of January. So I'm going to go through each of them. So Cyber Monday sale we have is from the 27th of November until the 6th of December, and that one is buy one get one 65% off, which is absolutely insane. Such a high percentage off, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. And then we have the holiday sale, which is from the 6th of December until the 20th of December, and that one is buy one get one 50% off and flash sale of 50% off gift sets. And then from the 6th till the 13th you get a free gift box with a bundle. And then from the 20th of December until the 10th of Jan you have 20% off site-wide and up to 70% off selected items. So essentially they have a sale from right now up until the 10th of January, which is absolutely insane. Something is making noise in my background and I'm not sure what it is. I'm a little bit concerned because I've got a candle on and something is making a funny noise. How bizarre. Anyway, moving on. Also, they have ever so kindly given me my own 20% off code, which we linked in the description. Again, I don't get anything for you guys using my code or anything like that. It is simply a gift from them to you guys. So if there's something on the website that's not in the sale, there is a 20% off code in my description, and there is a link as well that you can use, so feel free to use that. But now let's dive into the pieces they sent me because honestly, I am so incredibly excited. So the first ring that I have is the Alex crossover ring. I absolutely love it. This one retails for $75 US. It's so beautiful, and I will do a close-up so you guys can see. But this is what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning, and I feel like you could definitely layer a kind of ring under here as well, which would look really beautiful. And I have mine in a size 5. I think that might be the smallest size they do, or they might do one small smaller, and it fits my ring finger perfectly. So that is the first one that I chose. The next ring that I picked is the emery ring, and this one I absolutely love. Again, it is so beautiful. This one retails for $49 as well. I say as well, the other one wasn't $49, but you guys know what I mean. It's $49 and it's absolutely beautiful. And I kind of had in my head that I could layer the two of these together. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, definitely going to do that. So that is kind of my plan, to wear them together like that. I just think they look so beautiful. The next two items I was really hoping to receive because I saw these on the website and I instantly just fell in love with them. They brought back so many memories from like being a teenager back in 2000 and how long ago it was, I can't even remember. And I absolutely love this. So this is their mood ring, and again I got mine in a size 5, and this one retails for $59 US. How beautiful is that? I'm absolutely in love with it. Like, mood rings just give me such 2000 vibes, and I just can't not be in love with it. So that is that one, and again I am just obsessed. And last but definitely not least, we have the mood necklace, and again I've never seen a mood necklace look like this. It's so beautiful. So price wise, these are definitely affordable. They are a little bit more expensive than things like New Look or anywhere like that, but these last absolutely ages. If you guys have watched my videos for a long time, you will know that I love Ana Luisa jewellery. I have had this ring for absolutely ages, and I wear this almost every day and I absolutely love it. So yeah, those are the pieces I selected, and I'm so incredibly thankful and excited to wear them all because I just think they're so fun and different, and I absolutely love them. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for gifting me these items. I'm so excited to be collaborating with you guys again, and as I've mentioned guys, definitely check out the links in the description box for all the details in regards to their sales, percentages you guys can get off, my links to get the discount and everything like that. So that being said, I'm now going to do some reading. I might even have time. I was going to film a main channel video, but it's turning out to be 1 o'clock and I need to be at my friend's house by 2, and I feel like I'm going to rush it, so I might just have to do that another time. I think that's what I'm going to have to do because I just don't think I'm going to have enough time now. So I'm going to get ready to go to my friend's baby shower. I still can't believe she's having a baby. It's so exciting, and it's going to be a baby girl, which is so lovely, and the name she's chosen is beautiful. It's just all very exciting. So that being said, I am going to do a bit of reading now. I am currently watching Wednesday on Netflix. Have you guys seen it? Let me know. It's so good. I absolutely love it. It is so up my street. So if you guys haven't watched it, highly recommend it. But anyway, right now I actually am going to go. I'm going to do some reading, so I'll catch you guys up in a bit and go through my books I'm reading at the moment because I finished The Fine Print and it was beautiful. But I'll be featuring that in my November reads. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go now. Goodbye. So considering in my last video I kind of did a lot of reading, I thought I would sit down and share with you my current read, and I am currently reading The Bride Test by Helen Huang. Now I'm not going to lie, is this a fave? Absolutely not. I just can't, I don't know what it is about this book. I feel like I can't sit and read this for a really long period of time without getting distracted or wanting it to be finished. And that sounds really awful, but I'm just not really in it at the moment. I don't know what it is. I am 100 pages in, which for a book this small is like a decent chunk, but I just feel like nothing is really going on. And just a brief overview of the story so far, so if you don't want any spoilers then just skip a little bit ahead. But essentially what it's about a girl called Esme, and she is a janitor slash bathroom cleaner in Vietnam. So she's kind of a maid. That would make more sense. She's a maid, and she meets a woman in the bathroom who's actually there in Vietnam looking for a wife for her son, and she gets chosen just really randomly while she's cleaning the bathroom. Basically is taken to America, and I just feel, I don't know, I love Helen's vibe because she features a lot of things to do with autism and stuff, and I think that's absolutely brilliant. I love that somebody is focusing on that in a book, especially a romance and things where it touches on things like the difficulties of touch and stuff like that, which I think is really great. But I just can't, I don't know what it is. I just feel like obviously the characters are going to fall in love, like it is just inevitable that is going to happen, but I just don't, it feels very forced and I don't like that. So I don't know if it's that I don't like or what, but anyway, I'm not loving it, but I'm 100 pages in, so I'm just going to do a little bit more reading before I have to leave because it is 25 to 2. I still need to write out her card and change my trousers because I'm currently wearing skinny jeans and I'm not in a skinny jeans kind of mood, so I'm going to put some mum jeans on, like baggy jeans, and I need to make sure I've got all my stuff to take back to the flat. So I'm going to read for like 5-10 minutes, so I thought you guys would like to join me. So this is your time, pick up a book and let's dive in. See, I feel like I've just read 3 pages, but actually it felt like it took me far too long. Does that make sense? I don't know. So now I am going to get all my stuff together because time is getting on and I realised that I have a lot to do. So I'm going to get on and go to my friend's baby shower, and then the next thing you'll see will probably be some Christmas light footage or some dinner footage, or worst case we're gonna skip into tomorrow, but either way I'm gonna go, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning everybody, it is Sunday, which means it is Christmas tree buying day. It is the 27th of November and I feel some people might find this a very early time of year to get your Christmas tree. However, because we are getting real trees, I feel like you need to get it sooner rather than later so you can just really appreciate the tree, because you don't want it to just be up for like 2 weeks, do you know what I mean? So yeah, we're going to go to our local garden centre now and we're going to go and look at Christmas decorations and probably get a hot chocolate or something and just have a little mooch about because they've got all their Christmas stuff up. And then we're going to come back here, drop some stuff off, and then go and buy our Christmas trees, which is so really exciting. I'm really, really excited about it. So that is what we're going to be doing. And again, I just wanted to bring you guys along. I'm so sorry that yesterday's vlog was cut short. We ended up not going to watch the Christmas lights. I think time just flew far too fast yesterday, and I was at my friend's baby shower until probably nearly 6ish. So by the time I'd done that and like everybody else had done everything that they wanted to do yesterday, the time just kind of got too fast, so we didn't bother going. But today is a fun day, so I'm excited to bring you guys along. Ryan is just filling up his water bottle, so he's just doing that. I'm just sat in his car waiting, so that is basically the plans for today. Would you believe that I curled my hair this morning? The wind has blown it all out, and my hair is naturally curly, so this rarely ever happens, but I think because I curled it yesterday and then I slept on it so it got all flat and funny, I curled it this morning and it's just not worked. And I did it with straighteners, so it just hasn't done anything. So I do apologise about my grotesque hair, but we are going to go and get a Christmas tree, so let's go. I'm very excited about it. We've just come out of Whitehall Garden Centre, and overall experience, what would you say?
Good, but too busy.
Very busy.
So busy.
Picked up 2 really cute decorations and we realised that the queue was, I don't even know how long, probably half an hour long. So we put the decorations back.
We're just going to come back in the week, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to pop back in the week in the evening and pick up some decorations then. So we're going to go back to work now, and then we're going to have some lunch, and then we're going to go get some Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Yay, excited.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
we've come to the conclusion that the tree needs to be about my height to fit. And that is probably about right.
Do I look ridiculous to next to it?
A little bit. Like the one you want.
I'm definitely not carrying two, am I?
It's like when the Grinch steals the Christmas trees.
It's a weapon, that one.
It's a big old tree, yes, yeah. There we go.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, no worries. Happy Christmas. You alright with that?
Yep. Thanks very much.
Cheers.
We have acquired the decorations now. I just popped home and got them from Mum, so we've got those to put on the tree. However, we are going to go to B&M and buy some more baubles because that does not look nice.
Sorry.
Because the tree's huge and the amount of baubles that I have is not going to be enough. So we're going to go to B&M now quickly. We've got half an hour before they shut, so we're going to go and grab some more baubles, and then
The tree's a bit of a big batty gal.
yeah, the tree is huge, so we're going to go to B&M and then take the tree up the stairs and then probably decorate it. Charlie's in it though. Charlie, say hi. Hi everyone. Have you got your first ever Christmas tree, Thor? Are you really proud of it? You're so cute.
Look, Christmas story.
Oh, Millie. So that's everything for this weekend's vlog. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and let me know what you think of our Christmas tree. I think I am leaning more towards the real Christmas tree vibe. I hate to say it, but I do really love our tree. It's so, so good. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.